born in a family where all the men would love to cook every Sunday. That Sunday and every other Sunday was not just about food, it was about love, bonding, sharing, and above all, some great family time. It's time to take that tradition forward, share those food memories. Please welcome with me our special guest today, Krish.
Hi, I'm Krish. I'm a pilot by profession and a freelance photographer. I'm really excited to be here on my yellow table with Chef Kunal Kapoor to maybe pick up some more tips on gourmet Indian cooking and maybe use that in my fusion cooking. And someday, with those skills, I could open up a tiny little cafe somewhere.
Welcome to my yellow table. Krish is a very interesting person. He's a trained commercial pilot. He's an amazing professional photographer. He is into adventure sports. You spend a considerable time in New Zealand doing trekking and all of that crazy stuff that you all just mentioned. But another amazing part is that in my conversation with Krish, I realized that he talks food.
In my experience, I think being robust has actually taught me about robust flavors itself. I mean, my Dadaji was an amazing cook. His flavors were just, they used to power through the dish, and that's exactly what I do. And I always tell my friends, you will always cook better than your wives, so let them work, you cook.
I completely agree with you. You know, you don't need to be tall, dark and handsome if you can cook.
Even if you're a fatty like me.
No, you're not fatty, you're just perfect. Alright, Hindustani खाने के अंदर the most basic thing is tomato and pyaz, and possibly they're the most underrated ingredients. So today what I'm going to do is pyaz or tomato ko lekar we're going to make heroes out of them. So there'll be a dish which is entirely tomato, there'll be a dish which is going to be entirely onions. We're going to do a salad which will be out of tomatoes. There is going to be bhuna pyaz. Then we're going to do anda. Anda आपने कैसे खाया? Omelette, fried, maybe inside a cake. But have you ever tried ande ka halwa? Ande ka halwa is a die-hard classic Hyderabadi dish. I'm going to make nice lemon curd plus methi ke parathe. So this lemon curd and ande ka halwa, which is again a big thing, go along very well. So it's a combination of Hyderabad and France, by the way. Yeah. So let's get cracking. The first step in making bhuna pyaz is that we need to peel onions. Cool. So I'm gonna give you this dirty job because you're very excited. So let's do it. These layers of onions के ऊपर लोगों ने कितने profound thoughts बनाए हैं.
You make a lot of housewives cry. Well, okay. Layers of timing गलत थी. Okay,
टाइमिंग गलत हो जाता है. पता चले जिस फ्लाइट को क्रिश उड़ा रहा है उसमें मैं बैठूंगा ही नहीं. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give incisions. It's not complete done, just about 3/4, 4, 5 and 6.
Kind of like a pizza.
It's still intact on the base, right? All right, you go, I go. Cool. Ta-da!
Is that okay?
It's not perfect.
Yeah?
Woo! Beautiful. Look how beautiful it looks, man. Now, the second step is that we're going to make a masala that we're going to stuff inside the onion. So I've taken haldi. As a thumb rule, जितनी आपने हल्दी ली है, twice the amount will be the jeera powder. जितनी हल्दी ली है, उसका करीबन 4 गुना से 5 गुना धनिया पाउडर. And amchur about 8 to 10 times of turmeric. And chili is always as per your taste.
Right, got it.
About half a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Now I'm adding some salt. Yeah. Also, we're gonna add kala namak
for that punch.
Yeah, wo chatkara marte na, that comes from this. Yeah. No, we didn't do it. Correct. Do that. It's like we were riding horses, man. No, we both bad at it. Now, what I'm gonna do is take mustard oil and mix it with the masala.
Make a nice paste out of it.
Yeah, almost paste, a little flowy will work. So what I'm doing is, I'm just going to put a big blob of the masala and let it seep in. There you go, it is trickling. Alright, once again, 180 degrees, 15 minutes inside the oven. To be honest, alright, the onions are inside the oven. Now we're going to make the masala again out of onion and tomatoes, but we'll flavor it with panchphoron. It's a Bengali spice mix of 5 spices. Methi, jeera, rai, saunf, kalonji. I'm taking a dry red chili. I'm just adding it to hot oil. We now add the panchphoron, a generous amount.
That fragrance is amazing.
Achari smell, no? While we are cooking these onions, I'll just quickly get the onions from the oven.
Those smell amazing.
Nice.
Masala is like baked on the onion pretty much.
Alright, now you see the onions browned. This is what it is all about. Indian curry ka sirf ek hi secret hai. If your onions are cut properly, they are cooked evenly, you'll have a great tasting curry. That's it. This is the secret. Just a thumb rule for this recipe. जितना आपने प्याज डाला है उसका डबल टोमेटो. So I'm going to add this tomato plus I'm going to add more tomatoes.
So you want a really light flavor. You want the tomatoes to add that more freshness than masala.
A little bit of tang plus tomatoes. What they do is they just bring down the spice level, the sharpness from the onions and the masala, the ginger and garlic, and make it a very wholesome, subtle curry. And that is like a great curry. That's it. Curry is more or less ready. I'm going to just add in a little water now.
If you can cook a certain kind of flavor, you can get a certain kind of aroma from the food.
Yeah.
It invokes nostalgia, it invokes memories, and I think that is something fantastic that nothing else can do.
Yeah.
Except food.
That just recreates the entire memory up there, right there.
Yeah, I mean, my dad is always going on and on about how on Sunday, Dadaji would call him and his brother in.
Yeah.
They would all have a beer.
Punjabi?
Of course.
Mutton. Mutton. Sunday. All the men would love to cook the mutton. They'll leave the kitchen cluttered. उनको वो लोग फुल्के बनाने हैं, सब्जी बनानी है, कोई वेजिटेरियन ये दाल है, सलाद है.
Salad. see, that's how you know you're from a Punjabi household. Salad there, mutton there.
Salad. It's never salad. No,
Salad.
I'm trying to say salad. It's salad. Alright, as you already see, जो tomatoes हैं, they've all wilted, which is a sign that curry is more or less ready. Add some salt and Kia Malabar black pepper. Kerala's fabled Malabar coast has been producing some of the world's best peppercorns for centuries. Organic peppercorns are picked out just before they ripen, sun-dried to perfection and steamed to preserve the penetrating pungent oils. Kia Malabar black pepper is hand-picked specially from this Malabar region. So let's leave it on a sim here. Now, भुना प्याज है, साथ में मेथी के पराठे. मेथी का जो पराठा हम बनाएंगे, it'll be a little different in the way we process the ingredients. What we're going to do is we're going to take atta, about 4 cups, ठीक है, garlic, and we've got some green chili. Just going to break it, and some green onions. Alright, we're done here. Along with the atta, I'm going to add ajwain, dried methi leaves, and I'm going to add this paste. now is the time to use my hands.
Yeah.
So they're less dirty.
If my dadi sees this episode and she sees you using the spoon, she's going to be like, "Ki kar rahe hai? Chamman naal."
So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to smear it onto the... See? Put it back. Alright, I'm just going to drop in a little bit of desi ghee. A little bit of Alright, this is going to rest for 10 minutes. Alright, the masala is nice and bubbly. Now we carefully just pour the masala, not over, just between all the onions. This is looking gorgeous.
It is.
Now we've made the dough for methi parantha right here, and now roti ko bol belna. The satisfaction of kneading a dough and then turning them into this beautiful piece of bread is just amazing. पराठे में बनाने में भी एक कला है. सबसे पहले you half bake the parantha on both the sides, then smear ghee or oil or whatever that you want, and then start frying or shallow frying the paratha and make it nice and crisp.
It smells amazing.
And this is done. So this paratha goes in right there. Our yellow table is just about complete because we've got the bhuna pyaz there, we've got our methi parantha there. Now we go take a little break and come back to my yellow table.